cheesy for no reason. She just like my steez and now she
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is May 19th, 2020. Shout out to my man, Wire Sparks, one of my YouTube premium members, for the song request today. Mouse and Level, I bet you won't. Ain't heard of them before. Sound like some Magnolia, Louisiana, down south, dirty stuff right here, man. Thanks for the song request. He's always putting me up on that new stuff, boy. But what's going on, people? Hope you guys are doing well today. Welcome to another episode. Today, we're going to look at, it's a slew of bad news today. We got a trifecta out of CoinDesk today. It's not good news. First one being a hacking out of BlockFi. Oh, wow. There's been a SIM swap of an employee's phone. No funds were lost, but there possibly have been some compromises to users' data. We're going to take a look at this here in a second. And the next two articles are all about Bitmex. Wow, this is crazy. So the company that sued FTX and Ripple now have set their eyes on Bitmex. Basically, they have alleged that Bitmex derivatives exchange has orchestrated one of the largest financial crimes in American history. Wow, they're trying to hit them with some RICO, people. We will take a look at the details on that here. In addition to that, don't know if this had anything to do with it, but Bitmex was down for over an hour in some change today. It's back up now. We'll take a look at what happened, what's going on over at Bitmex. Are they in trouble? Some people are saying it's an exit scam. I don't know. I wouldn't go that far. But man, it definitely seems like they are in a heap of trouble. All that coming up on this episode of My Two Satoshis. But before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. And don't forget, Crypto.com, they have their 0% credit card fee promo still going on. So make sure you take advantage of that. Normally it's 3.5% that Visa and MasterCard takes from you. They're waiving it, or actually I should say Crypto.com is paying that. So take advantage of that. The link is in the description below. Also, see Blood. Use that promo when you sign up. You'll get $50 worth of MCO tokens if you stake 50 tokens or more in MCO value. Crypto.com. Check it out. And I actually forgot to mention this. Crypto.com actually just set an industry record for amount of insurance for their operation. So check this out. They just secured a $100 million direct insurance policy provided by ARC Underwriting at Lloyd's Syndicate 2012. So now they have a total of $360 million worth of insurance, which is in conjunction with their user base just doubling in 6 months. The insurance policy covers losses attributable to various events such as physical damage or destruction, third-party theft, and more against the cold storage assets on custodial partner Ledger Vault. So I just wanted to let you guys know, Crypto.com is growing, and you should be at ease that your money is safe over there, especially with the topic we're covering today with BlockFi hacking. You got to have that insurance, and Crypto.com surely does. And the heat map right now, Bitcoin is almost unched. It's at $9,663. We got ETH down 0.5% to $200.11. EOS down 0.66% to $2.62. Litecoin is actually up today slightly to $45.05. BNB also up 2.6% to $16.93. Bitcoin Cash down slightly to $200.44. And as far as the technicals go with Bitcoin, looks like we're still trying to stave off that head and shoulders pattern. I'm still not convinced though, because we're not getting past this ultimate high where the head is in this pattern here. So I'm still a little skeptical, but I will say we did break back above the 94.63 level, so that is slightly bullish. So we'll just have to see what happens. You know, you want to watch this area at $10,094 essentially. If we get above that, then it's on and popping. We're heading higher, people. But the first article, BlockFi hackers attempt to do a SIM swap over there on an employee's phone. No funds were lost, but it looks like the hackers got a hold of users' data. The New York-based lending platform announced in a memo to users on Tuesday that a hacker whose identity remains unknown gained access to some of its retail marketing systems for just over an hour earlier on May 14th. There was a data breach that exposed certain client account information for a brief period of time. While no information was accessed that would enable the intruder to access your account or funds, they believe that it was in the interest of transparency to share the following details with their clients. BlockFi said the hackers accessed confidential data such as names, date of birth, postal addresses, and activity histories. Other sensitive account information, including bank account details, social security and tax identification numbers, passports, and driver's license numbers and photo scans, were not affected, they said, by this breach. And also no funds were taken. So I'm just wondering how how the employee's phone had access to all this information. That's crazy. But these are the types of things we deal with today. Hackers, there's essentially an infinite number of attack vectors that these hackers can try, and so that's always going to be a concern with any company, not just crypto, non-crypto companies as well. It's the hardest thing to stave off, and at some point you're going to get attacked, right? But it's just about the severity of the breach. Additionally, the BlockFi spokesperson said a sole intruder gained minimal access for a short period of time to select internal marketing systems. The BlockFi team immediately mitigated the impact of the breach through a number of standing policies and safeguards in place to protect client assets and data. And so they continue on to say the issue has since been resolved and BlockFi's products and services are fully operational. Interesting. This is the problem you're going to have with centralized entities handling with, crypto. It just is what it is. And I personally would just say spread your risk. Have your accounts and stuff at various companies, right? Don't just have all your eggs in one basket if you're doing this lending stuff. So, hey, there we go with that. Just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on at BlockFi. But on to the meat of this episode, Bitmex. Man, they're just getting hit from all sides. Looks like they were actually down earlier today for about an hour and a half or so. Their trading engine was down, they said. The trading engine for Bitmex, formerly the largest Bitcoin derivatives exchange, measured by open interest, went down on Tuesday at around 12:13 UTC, according to the exchange's status page. Bitmex supported roughly 2.2 billion in Bitcoin futures trading volume over the last 24 hours, but at 12:28 UTC, Bitmex updated its incident report page to major outage and took the trading engine offline. During the incident, however, the website reported its API and web front end to be operational. Bitmex told CoinDesk its engineers are investigating the issue to bring the platform back up as soon as possible. In a public statement, they said that they could confirm all funds are safe, delayed orders will be rejected, and no liquidations will occur during the downtime. But when coming back online, there will be a cancel-only period initially. So essentially that means that you won't be able to trade or other than cancel orders that were pending. So, I don't know, man. People are a little skeptical about what's going on. A few people on Twitter were going ham on Bitmex, saying it's an exit scam. I don't think it's all. People go so far to the extreme on Twitter, and especially on crypto Twitter. I'm not going to go that far, guys, but I did want to let you guys know what was going on with Bitmex at this point. It looks like they are back up and running in cancel only mode though. But the real meat and potatoes in this episode today is about Bitmex's potential lawsuit by a Puerto Rican company, BMA LLC. I'm not too familiar with this company, but essentially they filed lawsuits against Ripple and FTX in the past. So this firm, BMA, which stands for Bitcoin Manipulation Abatement, filed a suit in the U.S. District Court for the North District of California on Saturday, alleging that HDR Global Trading, the parent company of Bitmex, perpetuated a vast racketeering conspiracy designed to reap billions in illegal profits. This plot featured wire fraud, money laundering, unlicensed money transmission, interstate transport of stolen property, and violations of the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO, BMA alleges. Boy, when they hit you with a RICO, hard to get around that one. I tell you that much. It is hard to beat a RICO case, people. In a statement, HDR spokesperson said the company was aware of the complaint, which is clearly rehashed from information culled from the internet. BMA has recently emerged as a serial filer of claims against companies operating in the cryptocurrency space and is widely recognized for operating just like a patent troll. BMA alleges that Bitmex's failure to secure a money transmitter license and its ties to U.S. customers means it processed $3 billion in illicit finances each day, which they allege is the record volume for such unlawful activity in the entire history of the monetary regulation in the United States. So what do you guys think? I mean, they are, it looks like, known for doing these like troll lawsuits. I don't know how far this is going to get, but it's just a little weird to see the coincidence here, this lawsuit coming in, and then we got Bitmex going down. Can we draw some connections there? Can we connect some dots? I don't know. Maybe it's a correlation thing and not a causation situation. So we'll have to see. You guys let me know your thoughts. Are you guys still trading on Bitmex yourselves? I've got a couple of exchanges. Actually, one I'm going to do another review on here in a couple of days. That's they're going at Bitmex's neck, man. They're pretty good as well. So look out for a video on that exchange. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Shout out to my man Wire Sparks for the song request today. Mouse and level, I bet you won't. If you guys found this video informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And click that bell to receive more videos like this. I'm out of here, people. Holla!